Hi dear students, in this class we are discussing the KCET previous year questions from past 10 years, and this chapter name is Linear Inequality. This is the fourth class for the KCET 2026. So in this chapter we should know some rules, and I hope you already know what is linear inequality. So which is not equal, that is inequality, less than and greater than, these are whatever the values less than and greater than. So we should remember a is less than b, or minus a is greater than minus b. So when you multiply to a inequality by negative number, so inequality will be changes. You have to remember inequality when it will be changes up when you multiply it by negative on both sides. And second rule, if a is less than b, when you take the reciprocal of them, it will be reverse. 1 by a is greater than 1 by b. Or if you multiply a negative number to a inequality, again it will be changes. Whenever you cross multiply the equation a is less than b or c or d, without knowing the values of c and d, you can't multiply. It means cross multiply without knowing the values of c and d. If it is positive, we can multiply on both sides. If it is negative or positive, we don't know, then we can't multiply the d and c on both sides. So I hope these are the three normal basic inequality rules, and you should know the some rules. For example, a is less than for a k, then a is greater than minus k less than k, and a is greater than k, then a value is greater than k and less than minus k. You should remember these two rules. I hope you know that also. And we can see the last year question 2025 for KCT. The question is, consider the following statements. And statement 1 is, the set of all solutions of the linear inequalities 3x plus 8 is less than 17, 2x plus 8 greater than equal to 12, are x less than 3 and x greater than equal to 2. They are saying the solutions of 3x plus 8 less than 17, 3x is less than 17 minus 8, 3x is less than 17 minus 8 is nothing but 9, x is less than 3, 9 by 3. Yes, it is a correct. And what about this one? 2x plus 8 is greater than or equal to 12. Then 2x is greater than equal to 12 minus 8, 4. X greater than equal to 2. Yes, almost this is also correct. Statement 2. The common set of solutions of linear inequality 3x plus 8 is less than 17, 2x plus 8 is greater than equal to 12 is 2 to 3. The common set of solution. Okay, what are the solution? X less than 3 is the one solution. Another solution, x greater than equal to 2 is the solution. It means we will get on a real number line, so greater than equal to 2 and less than 3. So common solution will be only this much, 2 to 3. 2 is closed, 3 is open. 2 is closed, 3 is open. It means open to 3 also, both are in the solution. So which of the following is true? Statement 1 and 2 are true. Then option C is correct. Given that, second question, given that a, b and x are the real numbers, and x is a real number, okay, a is less than b and x is less than 0. X is less than 0, it means what? Negative number. Whenever you divide negative number to the inequality, inequality will be reversed. So which of the following is correct? This one is the correct. And 2023, and directly they are asking the 2019. 3x minus 5 is less than or equal to 2, and you know already modulus of a is less than or equal to k, then a is greater than or equal to minus k less than or equal to k. So 3x minus 5 is less than or equal to 2, greater than or equal to minus 2, and 3x is minus 5. If send this side or this side, it will be plus 5, and again minus 2 plus 5. Minus 2 plus by 3, 3x, it is 7, and whole divided by 3, 3, 3, and x value needed 1 to 7 by 3. So 1 to 7 by 3, the values of this one, that is option C. And 2018 same question, modulus of x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 10. You should remember modulus of ax is greater than or equal to a, x is greater than or equal to a, less than or equal to minus a. You should find these two and you have to take the union. Now x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 10, x plus 5 is less than or equal to minus 10. So x is greater than or equal to 10 minus 5, x is greater than or equal to 5, x is less than or equal to minus 15, it means minus 10. If this send that side, that become minus 5, it become minus 15. So the solutions are minus infinity to minus 15 union 5 to infinity. So I hope you understood this one. You have to take the both solution. So this is the correct answer. You should remember this formula for modulus inequality. Again they are asking modulus of x minus 2 less than or equal to 1, x minus 2 less than 1 greater than or equal to minus 1, x is less than or equal to 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2, 1 and 3, 1 2 3, and both are closed interval. Option C is correct answer. And the solution set of inequation, so x square plus 6x minus 7 divided by modulus of x plus 4 is less than 0 for which values? And we know if it is less than 0, when it is possible, either this is numerator and denominator. If numerator is negative, denominator is positive, then it is less than 0. If denominator is positive, numerator is positive, denominator is negative, then also less than 0. If both are positive, then it is greater than 0. If both are negative, then also it is greater than equal to 0. But here denominator is already positive, then we need the value of this one only less than 0. X square plus 6x minus 7 less than 0. We need to find the solution for this one. And please watch my video that is on wavy curve method. So this is the very important method to solve the linear inequality solution. You can solve the all the type of linear inequality solution. And now this is the, if you multiply this one minus 7 and adding them, you will get a 6. What are those two numbers? Then you can choose that minus 7 or 7 minus 1, then you will get the answer. 7 into 1 will be 7, 7 minus 1 will be 6. Then x square plus 7x minus x minus 7. So x is a common, x plus 7 minus 1 is a common, x plus 7. There are two solutions, x minus 1 as well as x plus 7. So these are less than 0. Use the wavy curve method, or please watch here. So that solution I will solve here. X minus 1, x plus 7 is less than 0. Take a real line. The solutions are minus 7 and 1, and both are open because it is strictly less than 0, and it is always started from plus, and the powers are 1. So if you are understanding it is well. If you are not, please go and watch wavy curve method. Or if it is less than 0 now, it will always start the plus and open. Why it is open now? Because it is strictly less than 0. Powers are odd, it means changes, plus become is a minus, and minus 7 is solution of this one, the power is 1, minus become plus. So we need a negative, means less than 0. Less than 0 means we need a negative interval, then minus 7 to 1 is the answer. Both are open. So this is the solution. Please go and watch our video. Minus 7 to 1, this is the solution. I hope you understood. And these are the only normal simple questions from the linear inequality from 2025 to up to 2015 or 14 I have covered. So only 6 to 7 questions are there. I hope you will get exact answer in the next exam. And please watch that wavy curve method. I will mention in description box. I will give the link, wavy curve method. Well, that is very important for your linear inequality method. Clear? Thank you.